transaction in network aim to increase security, reduce the cost, decrease the transaction time, and increase the transparency while eliminating the need for a trusty parties. So blockchain is in a decentralized application, which may be not at all using it for no one can identify. This is a single window system, like you only can able to identify it. Anyone is not able to see that. The next one is artificial intelligence. Intelligent executed by the machines that mimic the cognitive function to perceive its environment and take action to maximize to certain rules. Artificial intelligence, which means like when you have an identification which human is doing, that is that software will do, like that tool has been identified. For example, predictive analysis, make them what you have to be doing. Example of ChatGPT, Perplexity AI is a best example for the artificial intelligence. What you want to know about. Previously, you should have to ask someone, but now you don't want to ask anyone. The AI is supporting you